Hey Budget Baes, hey, welcome or welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we will be doing Budget by Paycheck number 2 for the month of December, baby. It is time to chug along, okay? We are at the end of the month, and y'all know I told y'all after the 15th, baby, the month is rolls, okay? So if you want to go ahead and Budget by Paycheck number 2 with your girl, stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all. If y'all stay tuned and click, that means you want to go ahead and budget paycheck number 2 with your girl. Okay, first thing first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey y'all, hey, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. The like button definitely does help my channel out float around in them YouTube streets, baby. And I appreciate it so bad. If you are a Budget Bae, please make sure you hit the like button for me, baby. Do your big one as soon as you get on the video, and I appreciate y'all down, okay? But not only that, if you are new around here and you enjoy it, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe button. Hello, I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. Okay, so look, y'all, let's move some stuff out the way because y'all already know, like I said, we are running so behind, okay? I got paid on the 15th. Today is actually the 24th, so it's the day before Christmas. So I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday because you will see this video after. Leave me some down in the comments. Let me know how was your Christmas break. Your girl has been cranking these videos out today because, baby, when I tell you I'm about to start cleaning up, your girl is about to start cleaning up. Amen. I want to record the video. I think I'm going to edit one video, and then after that, baby, I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon cleaning up my house. I am over it, okay? I want anything that's not put up is going down. It's going up. It's not going to get put up. Oh well. Oh well. I do have one last thing that I may put up in my archway that I've been threatening to put up, but I have not put it up yet. But I feel like, girl, it's sitting right there. Just put it up. Just put it up, girl. I think I'm going to put it up. We'll see. But anyway, let's move some stuff out of the way. With that being said, I am kind of behind. I do have my calendar so that we can see what we have going out. Oh, that's not got dots. I do have my rainbow dots because y'all know that that's what I use to talk about what checks we're going to use. I do have my bill pay tracker. We'll put that over there to the side. We will be using the G2 pens to write later, so we'll move that over there to the side. This is the paper that I'm going to write my bills on from Happy Planner. And then here's the bills that we've already paid, okay? Like I told you guys, we already paid these bills because we're behind. I just need to record this video. So we did pay the bills. I just need to do it now, okay? Like record everything. So here's my unique alphabet fonts that I'm going to be using for Happy Planner to write the word bills, and then my budget that we'll use the icons for, okay? And then this is, of course, is our paycheck budget. Let me see. I'll just use this purple pen that we just used. It's fine. And then let's open up our calendar, and we're going to move our paycheck budget number 1 that we already did out the way, so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, now the diamonds. I'll move y'all in, of course, because baby, let's get into it. Let's get into the bills, y'all. There might be a little bit too. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's just chit chat about a couple of things because the diamonds was Papa's check, so. Paycheck number 1 was Papa's check, and those was the diamond bills that we already paid. Now, for the most part, everything has already come out. Netflix, that Amex number 2 has come out. The Zales bill has come out. My life insurance bill has come out. Because like I said, today's the 24th. Okay, my lawyer bill has come out, but I'm going to be letting you know we moved some money over there too for that. Amex, let me see, that's... and Papa's cell phone bill, okay? So all of the bills that Papa paid with his check when he got paid on the 11th, we pay all the bills on the 12th, okay? Now, my check, I ended up getting, like I said, on the 15th, and so we're paying all of the rest of the bills all the way down to the 24th check, okay? Now, with that being said, I'm using this pink little diamond for me. So let's go to the diamonds. And I'm going to tell y'all what all we're going to play with my check, okay? We will be paying We're gonna pay Amex number 2. Amex is actually is let me go back. I'm sorry. I'm on Papa Check. My bad. Okay, so we're actually gonna be paying my travel agent fee right here. We will be paying this with my check. That December mortgage is gonna come out, but I'm just gonna mark it that it's gonna be paid in this check cycle. But the money for that mortgage is already there, so it's not really coming out of nobody's check because we already had money. And then we're going to be paying the other part of my lawyer fee that's already came out right here. I'm gonna be paying my Amex number 1. Or I already paid Amex number 1, so let's put this here. We paid number 2 with his check. We're going to pay number 1 with my check, and then I actually made another payment today. But anyway, whatever. So Amex number 1, we're going to pay that. And then we're going to pay half of my cell phone bill. We're going to pay my portion of the cell phone bill, and then Dejanay will pay her portion. So we're going to do that. We're going to pay the water bill. Water bill. We're going to pay life insurance number 2. Okay. Now that will catch us up on every single bill that we had all the way down to the 24th, you guys. Okay. So when Papa gets paid again on the 24th, we'll be able to finish the, do some more bills that he getting paid all the way to 29th, and then I'm getting paid. So we'll have plenty of, we still got 2 more checks coming out. So it's no big deal. Okay. But we've paid all of the bills all the way up to the 24th, and Papa will get paid probably today instead of on Christmas, because that's a holiday. All right, so now let's talk about it. Now from my check, we're going to be budgeting $1,900, and this is from check 1215. Okay. We are moving part one of our January mortgage. We're going to move that money over. So $790.02. We're going to move that over. Okay. Then we're going to pay the December mortgage, because it automatically comes out. So we're going to put it right here. It's going to be $3160.08. No money is coming out, but we did pay that. And then we're going to pay the travel agent fee. And that was $1213. That amount was $89.99. We're going to pay the other half of the lawyer, which was due on the 17th. And that was $155 to SoFi, which that's what we did. We moved it over. And then we paid Amex number 1. We paid them on 12/16. We paid them $200. And then on, we paid my half of the cell phone bill. And that bill is due on the 28th. Dejanay will be sending me her portion of the money. I paid that on the 16th. That amount is $147.93 is how much I paid. And then the water bill, that bill is due on the 23rd. And the bill actually was $67.04. They charged me 4%, which is $2.68. And so my total bill that I paid was $69.72, y'all. So we're going to put $69.72 there. And then lastly, we accounted for the life insurance number 2. That's going to be due. And that amount is the $107.66. Okay. So let's add this up. $790.02 plus $89.99 plus $155 plus $200 plus $147.93 plus $69.72 plus $107.66. Okay, that's gonna give us $1,560.32. All right, now remember I only had $1,900, so that's gonna leave me with $339.68 left over. Okay. Now y'all know that I don't do the extra change, so we're only going to allocate stuffing $335. Okay. Now, off the top, y'all know that we have to give $110 to groceries and $80 to gas. So minus 110 minus 80 is $145 technically that we really have to work with. So what we're going to do is we're not giving King any money. We're not giving car maintenance any money. We're going to do emergency fund though. Emergency fund will receive $40. Because you know, that emergency fund got to get it. We're not doing upcoming vacation, but we are doing new car. That's also going to give $40. And then we're going to do home upgrades. Let's give them that random 5 because I did want to stuff Christmas one more time so that I could take that money to the bank. So we're going to put the rest of that money here for $60. Minus 60 for Christmas, okay? So that's how we'll do that. Easy peasy, y'all. And then, of course, when we do the breakdown of the $335 at the bank, let's tell them how we want it. We're going to do $110 for groceries, $80 for gas, $40 for new car, $40 for petty cash, $5 for home maintenance, and then $60 for Christmas. Now, the 110 is going to be easy because we'll do 250s, 110. 80 is always going to be 420s. The 40s could be 220s. So for both of those, 15 for the 5, and then the 60 can be 150 and 110, y'all. That's how we'll do that. Let's add it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, and 1. All right. So 3 times 50 is 150. Okay. 8 times 20 is 160. 20 times 10 is 20, and then 1 times 5 is 5. Let's equal that. It should be $335. 150 plus 160 plus 20 plus the 5 is going to be $335, y'all. Boom. Boom. That's it. Alright. So now, since we already had it together, the only thing we're going to do now is we're going to transfer the information that we put here. We're going to transfer it right here. So, of course, I'm going to fast forward this part because, girl, y'all know that, girl, we got to fast forward this part. Come on now. We will be using our books here to fill this out, and then I'll be right back. We'll fill out our bill pay tracker, and then this video will be y'all's. All right? Let's go. Alright guys, we are back. And I am ready to fill out my bill pay checklist. So let's talk about it. Now, the December mortgage we did pay, so let's put that down, $3160.08. Travel agent fee was paid $89.99. I love this paper because it allows me to easily see what I did. Amex number 1, we did pay them $200. The lawyer fee, we did pay that other one half of it. So that total was $310 for my lawyer for the month. The water bill was also paid. It was $69.72 after the fees. Life insurance number 2 was paid for $107.66. Okay. I think, my cell phone bill. So we're gonna say my half paid 12.15, and that was 147.93. Okay, and my baby will pay her portion probably within the next couple of days. Okay, so that's that. Yeah. I don't think I skipped anything. We paid bills all the way down to the 24th. I don't have any bills during the 24th. So the rest of the bills are the 25th and on. Papa is actually probably getting paid today or tomorrow, but probably today. So we're going to have another check that we need to budget. So that's why I want to go ahead and get this one out because y'all, I have been so busy. So please excuse the delay. Y'all will be getting a lot of videos from me back to back. So just be ready for that. Okay. So let's put everything back in where it goes. Of course, this is the check that we just budgeted out, my check. Right in front of it, we'll put our bill pay checklist. And of course, then in front of that, we'll go our bill pay calendar, okay? And so it lets us know what we have left. And I love you, y'all. All right, so that's that. Boom. And then we're going to put check number 1 back. And now we'll have check number 2 that I just did, which was my check. We'll put that scratch paper there. And then we'll go back to our catch-all section for the month of December. And this check was for $12.15. So it'll be here. I need to catch up on my thing, y'all. I am so late. So $12.15. Let's move it on this side. Right here, okay? So that's that, all right? Now, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new around here and you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like. Budget Baes, if you are here, please make sure you hit the like button for me. I definitely appreciate that. But not only that, if you're new, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, I would love to also have you join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye!